In this recording we focus on doing the basic algebra. The first part is how to collect terms. We see that we have 8w plus 3w gives me 11w. Then you have 9w plus 9w plus 9w. So this is 27w. This is 50w squared minus 25w squared is 25w squared plus 40w squared, and this is equal to 65w squared. Here we need to collect x together and y together. This should give me 14x plus 20y. The next one, we have minus a squared minus 2a squared is minus 3a squared. Minus 3a squared minus 17a squared is minus 20a squared. Minus 20a squared. We pick here x squares, so it should be 23x squared plus 23y squared. Here in problem 7 we have fractions. We simplify this fraction. 14 over 2 is 7x squared plus 10x squared. This gives me 17x squared. For the second part we need to expand the brackets, which means that we need to multiply the number outside with each one of the numbers inside the bracket. So the first one is 3x plus 3 times 6 equals 18. So number 2 is 4x plus 8, 15x plus 5, minus 14x minus 14, 32x plus 24, 18x plus 180, and minus 55x minus 10. For part 3 we need to solve these equations. These are called single step because we solve them in one step. We keep the x isolated to the left and we take the other number to the right side, flipping the sign. So this should be 8 take away 5. So this goes to the other side and changes the sign. X is equal to 3. X plus 9 equals 18. X equals 18 take away 9. X is equal to 9. Number 3. W plus 2 is equal to 20. W equals 20 take away 2. W is equal to 18. 2w equals 20. We have to divide both of them by 2. So w is 20 divided by 2. W is equal to 10. Here what we have to do to find w is to multiply times 2. 30 times 2. W is equal to 60. Here we have 5w is equal to 60. We divide by 5. And we get w is equal to 12. 3w equals 99. We divide by 3. And we get that w is equal to 33. For part 4 we need to solve multi-step equations. So we keep the part that is w to the left. We write 2w. And we move the other term, 40 take away 20. 2w is equal to 20, we divide by 2, w equals 10. Here we keep 3w we keep it, and we have 60 take away 30. 3w is equal to 30, we divide by 3, w is equal to 10. Number 3, we have a two-sided equation. 5w plus 2w equals 70 take away 35. 7w equals 35. We divide by 7. Both sides, w is equal to 5. Number 4, we have 7w minus 3w equals 30, take away 10. That's a 4w is equal to 20, we divide by 4, and we get w is equal to 5. Here is a two-sided equation, 2w plus 4w, this term here, equals 36, take away 6. 6w is equal to 30, and we divide by 6, w equals to 5. We have 8x plus 8x is 16x equals, the right side is 64. X equals 64 over 16, and x is equal to 4 by dividing both sides by 16. Number 7, this is 24x equals 48. We divide by 24, and we get that x is equal to 2. Part 5, we need to solve the single bracket equations. First we expand the brackets, so this is 4x plus 2 equals 10, 4x equals 10, take away 2, 4x is equal to 8, we divide by 4, x equals 8 over 4, which is 2. Number 2, we expand the bracket, 5x plus 15 equals 50, 5x equals 50, take away 15, 5x equals 35, we divide by 5, 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. This is 10x plus 10 equals 25, 10x equals 25, take away 10, 10x equals 15, we divide both sides by 10, 15 divided by 10 is 1.5. Number 8, 8x plus 16 equals 64, 8x equals 64 minus 16, the right side is 48, x equals 48 over 8, x gives me 6. Here I expand, 9x minus 18 is equal to 18, 9x equals 18 plus 18, the right side is 36, I divide by 9, and I get x equals 4. Number 6, 20x take away 200 equals 60, 20x equals 200 plus 60, the right side is 260, we divide by 20, and we get that x is equal to 13. The last part is factorization. We see which letter or number is common on the both terms. So here the common number is 3. We write 3 w plus z. Here in the second one we can take common factor x, and we have x plus 1. Number 3, we can take common factor w squared, and we have w plus 1. The number 4, we take the minus x outside, and we have y plus z. Number 5, we take w squared outside, and we have z plus x. Number 6, we take the y common factor, and we have x plus w. And number 7, we take 3w, and inside the brackets we have 1 plus 2w.